if I told you your phone could turn off Wi-Fi when you leave home or switch to silent at bedtime automatically? Sounds smart? Right. Well, today I'm showing you how to automate your daily phone tasks using routine. No matter your phone brand, I'm using the Galaxy S22 Ultra to demonstrate, but don't scroll away if you're using a Tecno, Infinix, iPhone or OnePlus. Your steps are coming up too. So watch till the end to see how it works on your device. So to now I'll be using Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and other models. But if you use a Tecno, Infinix, iPhone or any other Android device, don't go anywhere. I'll show your version too, so stick around. So let's begin. S22 Ultra or Galaxy phones, you go to settings, you go to your settings here and you scroll down and tap modes and routines here. At the bottom, tap routines at the bottom right here, routines, and then tap the plus sign, this plus sign here, to create a new routine. You do that, choose a condition. If example, if time or Wi-Fi connection or certain app opened, and then you choose then choose an action under then. So let's do if. Add what will trigger this routine, right? So let's say if you there are things you can do, a lot of things. Let's say sleeping or driving or whatever. Let's do sleeping. Let's say if sleeping, you see, it will auto detect. It will auto detect when you're sleeping. Then if it auto detects that you're sleeping, let it do this. Then you select all actions here, any actions here. Like if it detects I'm sleep, let me say it detects I'm sleeping, then do this. Let me try the sound, see what's under here. Then change my ringtone. I can set it to change my ringtone to something, voyage or whatever, right? Or if I say, if it detects I'm sleeping, stop the music, I can set it to play music. If you set it to play music, then you can select an app that will play the music. Okay, so these are all the apps on my phone that can play music. So you choose which one that you want it to start. Maybe play some cool melody sleep to suit your sleep. Then you go save and you give your routine, and then give your routine a name and save, right? Just routine and save. Now for Tecno and Infinix users, open settings on your phone, tap smart panel, or you can search for smart scene / automation. It differs by model. Some will say smart scene or some will say automation. Then tap automation and you tap add rule and you set your trigger. Example, the trigger could be time, location or charging. And you set your action. This trigger will be if, and then set your action. Then open app, adjust sound, enable battery saver, etc. And you save your routine. But note, some models may call this scheduled task. For OnePlus users, you go to settings and you tap advanced features or search for routines or automation, and you tap smart scene, or you might say work-life balance. You tap the plus sign to create a new routine. You add conditions like time, app usage, location, that is your if, and you add actions. Then change sound, like something like change sound mode, switch sim, and etc. and you tap save. And now for iPhone users, open the Shortcuts app, tap the Automation tab, tap Create Personal Automation, and you choose a trigger, example, time of day, location, or app, and you tap Next and select the action, example, send a message, set focus mode, etc. And you tap Next, review your automation, and tap Done. You can also toggle off Ask before running for fully automatic routine. And that's it. Whether you use Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, or iPhone, you now know how to automate your life with your phone. Imagine how much time you will save when your phone just does things for you. Let me know in the comments what routine you're setting up first. Maybe you want your favorite playlist to start when you plug in your earphones, or you want your phone to switch to night mode automatically. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who always forgets to turn on the Do Not Disturb at night. See you in the next one.